Hel- Hello guys, ito another episode of Mickey in the City. So ito, Thanksgiving Day, change of plans kasi dapat niya kasama ako dun sa ano. Di ba pupunta sila dun sa bahay nila Kuya Titi to celebrate Thanksgiving. So, tumawag sa akin ng dispatcher ng Bisorgo. He said that they need drivers, so there's no choice for me but to drive. So ito, nandito ngayon ako sa 35th Street along 8th Avenue. Um, Nagkaka-drop off ko lang ng passengers. Sinundo ko sila sa Willowbrook Mall sa New Jersey. It's like almost an hour drive from New Jersey, from that place to the city. And ngayon, isa-shuttle naman namin ng mga pasahero to and fro. Kasi mag-start na ng parade. So, lahat ng mga tao dito, isa-shuttle namin dun sa start ng, ng parade. Which is, it's on the 81st Street. So, hindi naman ganun kalayo. So, okay naman. So, yun. Pero good thing na rin na hindi ako nakasama. If you know what I mean. So, okay naman. Alright. So, sige, mamaya ulit, I'll try to take like videos of the parade if I can. Alright, sige. Bye!